bike intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I made this KGF bike in a simple way. Before starting, the cinematic video of this bike with KGF music is available on our Instagram page. Due to copyright issues we have not uploaded here. You can find that link in the description box. I'm using normal 1000 kV brushless motor and two 6x4 cm robot wheels. For the frame, wood and some aluminium pieces. This is how the skeletal model looks. Coming to electronics part, I am using SG90 servo motor for turning. So this will go here for the handle. Transmitter I am using FSI6, and for the rear brushless motor I have 30 ampere speed controller. Three-cell LiPo battery which goes here. Quite simple connection. Just I'm using two channels, channel 3 for the brushless motor and channel 2 for controlling the servo motor. Everything is working fine. Moving further, for the headlight, I'm using this bottle cap and a white LED. These are red LEDs for rear light. And obviously some craft work for final look.
Done.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, just let me know in the comment section below. And also, we had made a bike riding console with a gear shifter. If you are interested, you can get that video link in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back in another interesting video.